Hello, I am Mr. Kadganchi from Siddheshwar Prashala Solapur. Today we are going to see the standard 10th Maths 2 chapter number 2, that is Pythagoras theorem. From that Pythagoras theorem we have studied the Pythagorean triplet and also 30, 60, 90 degree theorem, property of 45, 45, 90 degree, similarity and right angled triangle theorem we have seen, and theorem of geometric mean also we have seen. Pythagoras theorem and the converse of Pythagoras theorem, this all we have seen, and we have solved by using this property and theorem. We have solved the practice set 2.1, and now a further point, application of Pythagoras theorem. Now in this year, that is COVID-19, that is 2020 to 21, for this year some portion has been deducted. That is an application of Pythagoras theorem and Apollonius theorem. These 2 points have been deducted from the syllabus only for this year. Now practice set 2.2, it is depend on that Apollonius theorem. So this exercise complete practice set 2.2 is also it is cancelled for this year. So now problem set we are going to see, problem set 2, from that question number 1. In that question number 1, that is 6th example, that example has been deducted from this syllabus because of this COVID-19. That is 25% syllabus has been deducted from this Maths 2 section. Now question number 2, that is question number 1, that is choose the alternatives, that is given as a homework for you. Now question number 2 we are going to solve the following example. In this first one, that is find the height of an equilateral triangle having the side 2a. Now find the height of an equilateral triangle having side 2a, that is this is triangle is an equilateral triangle, all the sides are equal. It is given that triangle ABC is equilateral triangle so all angle of this triangle is 60 degree. So construction we are going to do. Construction, that is draw perpendicular line, that is AD perpendicular to BC, AD perpendicular to BC. Therefore now here in triangle ADC, angle ADC is equal to 90 degree and angle ACD is equal to 60 degree. So remaining angle DAC is equal to 30 degree. Therefore by 30, 60, 90 degree theorem, the side opposite to side opposite to 60 degree, that is AD is equal to root 3 upon 2 into 2a, that is 2 cancel, which is equal to a under root 3 unit. that is AD is equal to. You can remove the screenshot and write in your notebook. Thank you. Now question number 2 from that second one. Do a side 7 centimeter, 24 centimeter, 25 centimeter from a right angle triangle. Give reason. Now here we are going to, if we show that if the 7, 24 and 25 is in a Pythagorean triplet, then we can say that the given triangle is in a right angle triangle. So here longest side is equal to 25 centimeter. Therefore 25 square is equal to, that is 625. This is an equation number 1. Now 7 square plus 24 square, that is remaining two sides of the right angle triangle. Now here 7 square is a 49 plus 24 square is a 576, which is equal to, if you will add this, that is 9 plus 6, that is a 15, 7, 10 and 1, 11 and 1, 12, 5 and 1, 6, that is 625. This is an equation number 2. This is 7 square plus 24 square, we got 625. That is from equation 1 and 2. We can say that 7 square plus 24 square is equal to 25 square. Therefore, that is 7 centimeter, 24 centimeter and 25 centimeter is a Pythagorean triplet. Therefore, the given triangle is a right angle triangle. Now, third example. Find the length of the diagonal of a rectangle having the side 11 centimeter and 60 centimeter. Now here rectangle. Now you can draw the figure rectangle here now. Solution. We are going to find the diagonal of the rectangle. You can take here A, B, C, D. Each angle of a rectangle is an 90 degree. Now here this is an 11 centimeter and this is 60 centimeter. Find the diagonal AC. Now here in quadrilateral ABCD is a rectangle. Therefore angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to angle D, that is equal to 90 degree. Therefore in triangle ABC, that is AB is equal to 60 centimeter, BC is equal to 11 centimeter and angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC we are going to find, that is the length of diagonal. AB square, AB is an 60 square plus BC, that is an 11 square. 60 square is an 3600 plus 11 square is an 121, which is equal to, adding this we will get 1, 2, 6 and 1, 7 and this 3. This is an AC square. Taking square root on both the side, AC is, that is AC square is equal to under root 3721, which is equal to under root 61 square. Therefore AC is equal to 61 centimeter. Therefore, the length of diagonal of rectangle is 61 centimeter. You can remove the screenshot to write it in the notebook. Now from this question number 2, fourth example, find the length of the hypotenuse of a right angled triangle if the remaining sides are 9 centimeter and 12 centimeter. Now we will draw a figure here, that is a right angled triangle. We are going to find the length of the hypotenuse. A triangle ABC is a right angled triangle, that is BC is a 9, AC that is AB is a 12. Find AC. Now here as it is given, that is triangle ABC is a right angled triangle. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, that is AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, which is equal to AB is 12 square plus BC is 9 square. 12 square is 144 plus 9 square is an 81, which is equal to 8 and 1 9. 8 plus 4, that is an 12. 1 and 1 2. Sorry, 4 and 1 5 it should be. 4 and 1 5. 8 plus 4 12. We carry 1 plus 1, that is 2, that is 225. AC square is an 225. Therefore AC is equal to, taking square root on both the sides, we will get, that is square root 225. Therefore AC is equal to 15 centimeter. Now example number 5th, the side of an isosceles right angle triangle is X, then find its hypotenuse. Isosceles right angle triangle, that means here the triangle ABC is an isosceles right angle triangle. That means AB is equal to BC. There is an X and AC you are going to find it. Triangle ABC is an isosceles right angled triangle. Therefore AB is equal to BC, which is equal to X. Therefore by Pythagoras theorem, that is AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AB is an X, that is square, plus BC is an X, that is also X square, which is equal to 2X square. This is an AC square. So taking square root on both the side, AC is equal to under root 2X. Therefore AC is equal to X under root 2 unit. Now you can remove the screenshot and write it in your notebook. Now further example we will see immediately. Now the last example from this question, that is the sixth one. In a triangle PQR, PQ is equal to under root 8, QR is equal to under root 5, PR is equal to under root 3. Is this triangle PQR is an right angle triangle? To show this it is an right angle triangle, that means you should show it is in a Pythagorean triplet. If it is an right angle triangle, then which angle is 90 degree, that also we are going to show it. Now here the longest side, which is the longest side now here, that is an under root 8 or under root 5 or under root 3, that is an under root 8 is an longest, so that is an under root 8 square, which is equal to 8. This is an equation number 1. That is equal to PQ square, we can say. Now here remain side QR square plus PR square, which is equal to root 5 square plus root 3 square. Root 5 is square is an 5, root 3 square is an 3, that is 5 plus 3 it is an 8. This is an equation number 2. That is QR square plus PR square. Now from equation 1 and 2, that is PQ square is equal to PR square plus QR square. Therefore, triangle PQR is a right angle triangle. It is a right angle triangle. Now, if we will draw the figure, now here, this is a right angle triangle, that is PQ is a hypotenuse, remain that point R, that is side opposite to longest side, the angle opposite to the longest side is larger, so angle PRQ is equal to 90 degree. Here the question number 2. From that question number 2 we have completed 1 to 6 example. Now you can remove the screenshot after each and every example and write it in your notebook. So thank you. The remaining example, that is 3 to 7, I am solving in the next video. So have a nice day. Thank you.